Hi there, I'm Stacey with WTI, and I am an aspiring singer. Well, maybe not really talented, but I love using this karaoke machine from BENPAL. It makes me feel like I am ready to hit the road. This machine gives you so much bang for the buck. I am super impressed by it. So it comes with this really beautiful speaker, which emits some great sound out of it. It also comes with its own built-in screen. Now the screen swivels, so if you're in a room with your friends over, you can turn that screen wherever you need to. And once you put the machine on, the screen will display. So you can hook it up to your Wi-Fi in your home. You can use YouTube. You can use the built-in karaoke app that comes with it that's completely free. The microphones are really fun because they are wireless and you get two. So you can do all of those duets that you want to do together, or you can just use one and sing away, and then the next person can take their turn. I really love that the machine has so many different bells and whistles to it. You can hook it up to your TV, you can hook it up to another speaker. You can not only hook it up by the ports that are on here, but also wirelessly. So you really get so much for all that you need to have your very own fun karaoke party. The sound quality that comes out of this, as well as the screen being there, makes this really so fun. It even has a carrying handle, so you can bring it to every party and really have lots of fun with your friends. And that's my point of view.